Hi guys! Today I want to share with you these buttery pimento cheese drop biscuits recipe. They are very easy to make and there's no need to roll out any dough. You'll have savory, buttery, and cheesy biscuits in no time at all. Let's go! First thing, let's preheat our ovens to 450 degrees and line a baking pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix thoroughly with a whisk and then place the flour mixture to the side. In a medium bowl, add 1 cup of pimento cheese spread, 1/4 cup of sliced green onion, and mix. Add 1 cup of buttermilk and mix until combined. Then drizzle 1/3 cup of melted butter as you stir to make sure the butter combines well into the mixture. Let's add the cheese mixture into the flour mixture. Stir until all the flour has been combined, but don't overmix. Now using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, fill each cup with the biscuit mixture and drop the mixture at least 2 inches apart on your baking pan. If you like, smooth out the edges with a small spatula to give it a more round look. Let's bake them at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. After they are out of the oven, brush each biscuit with melted butter and they are ready to serve. This recipe makes 10 biscuits, which you can enjoy with soup, fried chicken, a beef stew, or on its own. Let me know in the comments how you are going to enjoy these biscuits. These biscuits are absolutely delicious. The pimento cheese spread with the added green onion make these biscuits irresistible, and the buttermilk gives it a flaky texture that just melts in your mouth. Guys, you need to try these biscuits. You are going to love them. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. Stay kind and positive. Love you guys. Bye.